Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Tatenda. Shout out to the notification gang, love you. Mwah, mwah. So today, as you can see, this is the current state of my hair. Side view, back view, side view. You get the gist. Just gonna undo it, yeah. Homegirl's looking like a Rastafarian. Gotta let the air circulate. I'm just gonna tie it back now. I'm excited today because I've got a wig from CurlsCurls. Oh my god, look at it. Ooh, feels soft. I like it a lot. Oh, okay. Ooh, look at the inside. That'll definitely keep me warm in winter. Huh. Wow. I'm just wondering how I should style it. So the first thing you gotta do in this, COVID world is you gotta spray it. Because without that shipping and handling, you never know. Like, I trust CurlsCurls, but who knows if Jim from warehouse even cleaned his hands when he went to the bathroom. So I'm just gonna spray with some sanitizer. You never know. And you speak the blood of Jesus on it a little bit. I'm actually working from home, so I'm just checking on my computer right now because I'm meant to be online. All right, just shook the mouse, now I'm back. Yeah, so let me get back to styling this beautiful wig. I'm just gonna comb it through. Ooh, this is nice. It's very, very strong. So forget about Rapunzel. I am combing Afiaze, Masika, Notando, Nandi, Tsitsi, Rumbi, Chioma. Beautiful African hair. I feel like having a daughter right now. This is beautiful. Look at the curls. Look at the curl pattern. Curl definition. My God. Black and beautiful. As I did with the other side. Did the notification? No. Anyway, back to combing it. Yeah, now I'm gonna put a little bit of water just to soften it a little bit. This is like kinky, bossy hair. For the comb to slide through, you gotta be generous. With your spray bottle. Let me just shake my mouse here because I'm working from home. Anyway, now I'm just gonna add some of this, hair stuff. If you've ever seen the movie Beauty Shop, this is some of Queen Latifah's hair crack. Let's give it some of that. So let me just run my fingers through this. Oh my God, it feels nice. Woo! You gotta make sure you get the crack in between the cracks. Yes. Let's run my fingers through. Make sure that it's spread everywhere. It's evenly every part of the hair. Get some of the crack. Every part of the hair. Get some of the crack. All right. Perfect. I'm so rude. I forgot to show you what I'm using. There's that hair crack. There's a comb, one of my favorites. There's an Afro comb, classic for all hair types, all hair lengths. There you go. And we're just gonna blow dry it. We're just gonna blow dry it a little bit. Get some air going through it. Here, work my way through it. The back, the side. We want to make sure there's an even amount of air. Now, this reminds me of those things Hebrew men wear, but it's not quite. It's a sock. So this will hold the wig in place. Let me tuck it in there. Yeah, you don't have to get one that matches with your dress. You know, I'm just being extra. You know me. I'm just extra like that. Let's put it on. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh, let me get it on. Oof. Feeling a bit lightheaded. All right, let me adjust it. Gotta make sure that it sits properly, you know. What are people at work saying? What are they saying on this computer? Anyway, let me work the back. Make sure that it sits. It's feeling a bit wet back here. Yeah, let me get that blow dryer again. Oh my god. Anyway, let me blow dry. Yeah, because it's still feeling quite wet. Blow dry it a little bit. Yeah, it's not good to have too much drip, like I said earlier. So let me work that blow dryer. Ooh, yeah, especially down the back here. It's still quite damp from when I sprayed it. All right. Ooh, I look cute. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Your girl done glowed up. Yeah. Side view. Side view. Back view. You want some of that? You want? Ooh, fierce. Work it, girl. It's me. It's tatenda. I love it. Oh my god. Okay. Be professional. Yeah, bam. Ooh. Get a curl definition. Curls. You done did it again. Get that. Almost like real hair. Wow. All right. I wanna dance with somebody. Feel like Whitney Houston. Rocking it. Oof. My own hotness is getting to me. Let me have a sip of something cool. When you look this good, you gotta update your status. You gotta take a selfie. You gotta let the world know. All right, let me see if I can style it a little bit different, a little bit more professional, because I have to switch on my my video on Zoom soon. They like to, make me switch on my video without warning. But I'm ready for them now. Looking professional, looking nice, proper. Look at me, Mai Katiyo. Looking like a housewife. Okay, let's undo it. Oof, I love the bounce. Let me tie it on the top and see what that looks like. Oh, nice. I like that. Thanks for CurlsCurls for sending this week through. It's fire. Ta-da. Oh my god, I'm going to be looking on point when I switch on my video. Oof. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Love you guys. I am killing it. Mwah. Love you. God bless. Bye.